This is the POWEROAD energy storage Xiamen manufacturing base. With a total area of 16,000 square meters, the factory has a production capacity of 4 gigawatt-hour per year. To ensure battery system performance, POWEROAD always used Tier 1 cells such as CATL in production. Cell sorting ensures that all the cells in a battery pack have consistent performance and characteristics, leading to a balanced and optimized energy storage system. ABB manipulators enable the battery cell loading process to be completed efficiently and quickly. The ABB manipulator provides greater uptime, higher payloads, and longer reach. The OCV test is performed on each cell to ensure the long lifespan of the battery pack and the whole ESS system. Robots are used to place the module into a customized steel bracket with great precision. Then standardized modules are loaded to the production line. Batteries are scanned for subsequent traceability. Before welding, the camera is used to mark the welding poles, and the oxide or dirt on the surface is removed by the laser energy. This is an essential step to ensure welding accuracy. CCS is the cables and connector system for BMS voltage and temperature acquisition. The 6 kilowatts automatic laser welding machine is used to achieve battery module welding. It provides 4 kilowatts power for ring spot laser welding and 2 kilowatts for repair. Adopting CCD cameras in laser welding machine, which provides enhanced observation of welding positions to prevent poor welding and leaks. Install the BMS and the battery cooling fan. Perform module EOL test to ensure the battery quality, safety, and performance. Unload the module off the production line after gluing and top cover closing locking. Transit to the packing area to assemble into the battery rack. Enables plug and play on receipt of the ESS after pre-commissioning with preset parameters. Pack the ESS in a wooden cabinet. The wooden cabinet complies with UN 3480 lithium battery transport requirements to support the safe transport of lithium batteries as cargo on ocean shipment.